Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best four-prong cane is probably one of the most essential mobility aids for individuals seeking enhanced stability and confidence in their daily movements, offering a wider base of support than traditional single-point canes, which can significantly reduce the risk of falls and provide a greater sense of security whether navigating familiar surroundings or exploring new environments, making it an invaluable tool for maintaining independence and an active lifestyle. Number 5. HONEYBULL Foldable Freestanding Walking Cane. Introducing the HONEYBULL Walking Cane, designed for both men and women. It offers reliable support and stability for your loved ones, making everyday mobility easier. This cane is perfect for assisting parents and grandparents, as well as seniors, the elderly, and those recovering from injuries. It provides an easy-to-use and dependable walking aid. Its lightweight and foldable design makes it incredibly easy to carry and store. The strong aluminum build ensures it's heavy-duty yet convenient for travel. Easily adjust the height anywhere from 30 to 36 inches. This feature ensures a perfect fit for individuals ranging from 5 foot to 6 feet 5 inches, accommodating almost anyone's height needs. Featuring an extra-wide, 3-tipped base, it stands firmly on its own. This freestanding capability offers great convenience for users of all ages and genders. The innovative pivoting tip stays flat on angled surfaces, ensuring maximum ground contact. Its non-scratch rubber base provides excellent stability on any terrain. What we like. This cane is designed for ultimate convenience and stability. Its freestanding capability means you won't have to bend down to pick it up. If you are looking for a reliable walking aid that can stand on its own and is easy to travel with, this is a great choice. What people say. The four-prong design provides excellent stability and balance, making it easier to walk on uneven surfaces. The adjustable height feature allows for a customized fit, ensuring comfort for users of different heights. The non-slip rubber tips on the bottom offer a secure grip, preventing accidental slips and falls. Number 4. Quad Cane Adjustable Walking Cane. Tired of bending down to pick up your cane? This one stands on its own, offering you greater stability and peace of mind. Its specially designed tip reduces slipping on wet surfaces and provides excellent cushioning for comfortable walking. Crafted from light aluminum, this cane is surprisingly sturdy and can support up to 380 pounds. You'll appreciate its silent operation and balanced design, providing stability without unnecessary weight. Easily adjust the height from 29 to 38 inches to find your perfect fit, suitable for most individuals. Whether you're right or left-handed, it can be easily adapted to your needs for comfortable, balanced support. Experience superior comfort with its soft foam grip that reduces pressure on your wrist. The offset handle design ensures you have additional balance as your hand rests directly over the cane's shaft. Once you've found your ideal height, a secure screw lock ensures added safety. This feature tightens the cane for extra security, preventing any accidental slips and giving you confidence with every step. What we like. Experience enhanced stability and comfort with this lightweight yet sturdy option. The design ensures it remains upright, reducing the need to bend. If you prioritize a cane that offers excellent balance, a comfortable grip, and the convenience of not having to pick it up, this is the one for you. What people say. The cane is very sturdy and well made. It provides excellent stability and support. The four-prong design offers a wider base for increased balance. Number 3. KingPavonini Adjustable Foldable Walking Cane. Introducing a walking cane designed for ultimate stability. Its unique four-pronged base provides reliable support, allowing you to stand confidently anywhere. Experience superior comfort with its foam-padded offset handle. This design ensures a soft, non-slip grip, reducing strain on your hand. Struggling to get up from a low seat? This cane features a second handle, specifically designed to assist you in standing up with ease. Crafted from premium aluminum alloy, this cane is exceptionally sturdy and durable. It's built to support you reliably, offering peace of mind with every step. Easily adjust its height to find your perfect fit, ranging from 32 to 37.5 inches. A secure locking mechanism ensures it stays at your preferred height. Its foldable and lightweight design makes it incredibly portable. Carry it effortlessly on walks or during travels, making it an ideal companion for daily life. What we like. This walking aid offers a unique dual-handle design, providing an extra assist for standing up. Its optimized quad base ensures superior stability. If you often find yourself needing a little extra help getting up from a seated position or require a very stable walking support, this cane is an excellent companion. What people say. The cane is very sturdy and well made. The four-prong design provides excellent stability. It is lightweight and easy to maneuver. Number 2. Adjustable folding walking cane with T-handle. Experience superior balance and support with our innovative 360-degree pivot base. It moves with your natural stride, offering reliable traction on any surface for increased confidence. Easily adjust its height to find your ideal comfortable position. This ensures better posture and effortless mobility support for your daily activities. When not in use, it conveniently folds down to a compact size. It's lightweight and portable, making it easy to store in your bag or take with you anywhere. The ergonomic T-handle is designed for a secure and comfortable hold, reducing hand fatigue. A wrist strap is also included for added convenience. Crafted from strong yet lightweight aluminum, it provides dependable support. It's easy to carry and can support up to 300 pounds, making it ideal for everyday use. What we like. Enjoy superior balance and support with its innovative 360-degree pivot base. This cane is designed to flex with your natural movement, providing confidence on various surfaces. If you value a cane that offers exceptional stability, a comfortable grip for extended use, and the ability to stand on its own, this is an ideal selection. What people say. The cane is lightweight and easy to maneuver. The four-prong design provides excellent stability. The adjustable height feature is very convenient. Number 1. Carex Heavy-Duty Quad Cane. Introducing a heavy-duty quad cane designed for maximum stability. Its small base provides reliable support on various surfaces. Easily adjust the height from 28 to 37 inches to find your perfect fit. This ensures comfortable and personalized use. Engineered for durability, it can hold up to 300 pounds. You can trust it for dependable assistance. This walking stick features a universal design suitable for both men and women. Its classic black finish complements any style. The small base makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Enjoy greater freedom and independence with this practical aid. What we like. This heavy-duty quad cane provides robust support with a compact design. Its small base is engineered for stability without being cumbersome. If you need a strong, reliable walking stick that offers excellent stability and can be adjusted to your perfect height, this is a practical and dependable choice. What people say. The cane is very sturdy and well made. The four-prong design provides excellent stability. It is lightweight and easy to maneuver. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.